In today's lesson, we'll be practicing our skips and steps by learning the song Taps. Let's get started. At the top left corner of our music is a diagram that shows us where to put our hands. It says our thumbs start on middle C. So first, we're going to get our hands ready by finding middle C. Take a second to find middle C and place your thumbs there, and our hands should look like this when we're ready. Let's take a look at this first measure. We'll go up to here. We start with our left hand finger number 4 and play that note twice. Then we skip up to our finger number 1 on middle C. Feel free to double check the diagram at the top with your parents to make sure you play the correct notes. Let's try playing these 3 notes together. Parents, I'll just be playing these notes as quarter notes. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. If you need to repeat that, feel free to go back and do so. Now let's look at this next section, and we'll go up to here. We start again at left hand finger number 4, then we skip up again to finger number 1 at middle C, and then we play our right hand finger number 3. Check your diagram to make sure you have the correct notes for the correct fingers. Let's play these notes together. And again, parents, I'll be playing these as quarter notes. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Great job! If you need to repeat these measures, feel free to go back and do so. Now let's look at this next section up to here. If you look closely, we're playing the same notes in the same pattern we did in the last section. Left hand finger number 4, then 1, then right hand finger number 3. Take a second to practice playing these notes with your parents first. When you're done, let's try playing these notes together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sounding great. Feel free to repeat this step if you need more practice. Now let's look at this new section, up to here. We skip down to our right hand finger number 1 on middle C, then we skip back up to finger 3, and up again to finger number 5. Feel free to double check your finger number diagram to make sure your fingers are on the right keys. Now let's play these together. Again, parents, I'll be counting these as quarter notes. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now let's look at this last section to the end. From where we've left off, we skip back down to finger number 3, then to our right hand finger number 1 on middle C. Next, we play our left hand finger number 4. Looking here, we play it again 2 more times, and then we end on middle C with our right hand. Parents, look at the finger number diagram to make sure you are all playing the correct notes with the correct finger numbers. When you're ready, let's try playing these together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job! We made it through our piece measure by measure. Parents, to help your child practice the song this week, you can try breaking the song down into sections the way we did in our lesson for today. When you're ready, you and your child should be able to play the piece beginning to end with no pauses. Remember to always start off by placing the hands in the correct position first. You can always use the diagram at the top as a reference. Last but not least, another reminder to use a pencil to annotate your music. Mark down where the different skips and steps are to reinforce our intervallic reading, and feel free to section off the different parts of the song with your pencil as well. We hope this helps with this week's lesson. Happy practicing!